Hi guys, how are you doing? How is your week starting? I hope it's starting good. My week honestly is starting very well. I went for like the morning, I spent the morning with my daughter in the park because I like we do turns with my partner, and sometimes he's taking care of our baby in the morning, sometimes I'm taking care of our baby in the morning. So I was taking care of her this morning. So it was really good to be outside and spend time with her, and that she can play with other kids in the playground. And then I came back, we had lunch, I had time to do my yoga. So when I was doing my yoga, it's because, yeah, let's be honest, when I do my yoga, it doesn't mean that I don't think about anything. In fact, there are a lot of thoughts which are coming to my head, and some thoughts came to my head during my yoga time about losing control, how much control should we have over our business, what we should delegate to and be able to lose control, and also the importance of life balance. I see that some of you are watching live, so if you're watching live and you want to say hi, don't hesitate to say hi in the comments. So yeah, what was I thinking? What I wanted to share with you? I wanted to share with you that I know in our business in the Airbnb, but in business in general, when we are like, as I will talk as the Airbnb host, I know that at the beginning it was very difficult for me to lose control in the sense of letting other people take care of my place, because of course it was my place. I put all my heart in it. It's unique. It has my vibe, that I added my vibe into it. So it's difficult to let other people work for me. But on the other hand, if I don't let people working for me in my property, then it's not a business, it's a job. And that's a big difference between a business and a job. A business, you have people who are helping you running it. A job, you're just working and you're exchanging the time for the money. And I guess when we started investing in Airbnb and in vacation rentals, that's not exactly what we wanted. We wanted to not exchange time, but to have this kind of passive. It's not passive because, of course, we have to work on it. We have to do promotions as well ourselves, but the more we give control to other people, the right people, then the more time we have for ourselves. So that's, I understand it's our baby. It's difficult to let it go. It's our business is like a child, but we have to let it go. And I wanted to share this story with you because before, like for long, I didn't have anyone helping me. I mean, helping us, because we are the two of us taking care of this business. But then, if we do this, then we cannot go on holidays that much because we have people renting the places, and we have to be there to clean, to receive the guests, because we prefer like not doing a self-checking but receiving the guests. It's our personal preference. So yeah, we could not travel that much, and we what in fact we are doing it for traveling to have more time with our family, and that was not the case. But then we wanted to go to France, and at that time there was someone who wanted to rent the place as well, and we were like, okay, what do we do? How do we do? So we asked one of our friends, and he came, he cleaned, he did the check-in, and he did it perfectly, really perfectly. Of course, before that, we invited him to the place, we showed him around and everything, and it enabled us to be working remotely for this place. So we were in France, enjoying with my family, with my parents, my grandparents, my cousins, and we were like remotely checking with him if everything was fine. We were discussing as well with the guests to know when they will arrive. He was not lucky because they arrived so late, like much later than what was expecting, but yeah, that's what happens. and he did an amazing job. So what's like the whole point of this is it's important to also know when to release control, because we cannot control everything. Otherwise, like we are thinking too much about how is life, how can we have no time anymore. We are always in our head thinking about all those things that we want to control. And it's also one point, I don't know why you have your Airbnbs or why you have your business, but I think for a lot of us, for me, what I love doing Airbnb is that it's enabled me to have so much more time than I would have for my daughter. Of course, I have to work. I'm also having this business helping with digital marketing for people who are doing Airbnb. So of course, I want to grow this business and I need to have time when I cannot be with her. But in comparison with me doing a 9 to 5 job, having a boss, first I have more freedom. Second, I have much more time and I can decide, okay, like this morning, I will go to the park with my daughter. And in fact, and we want to show an example to people who are close to us and in my case, to my daughter. And if the example I'm showing her is me working all the time because I want to have the control, I don't want to release and have people helping me on it, then is it the example I want to show her? No. And I thought about this exactly when I was doing the yoga, because I was doing my yoga and she came to my mat and she started doing some yoga poses. And like on one side, yes, she's looking at me doing yoga, but also on the other side, I know that our daughter is looking very much at her mobile phone. She's taking it. She knows how to open it. She knows where the button is for turning on, turning off. Why? Because we are so much on our phone, or I am so much on my phone because of personal things and also because of my business. So that's why I want to say, like, we want to show the example and let's show our kids that we can release control, we can give things to other people to do, and that we have more life balance and to have like our life, to spend more time with them and to be able to travel more. So it's for this and for Airbnb and for things in general. But for Airbnb, what does it mean? It means that maybe instead of cleaning ourselves, we can have someone to clean. Maybe instead of doing the checking ourselves, we can have someone to do the checking, at least when you want to travel, like we did last time. And it means also, I know a lot of you have Facebook pages and everything. Either you can watch the last videos that I did about how to save time publishing on social media on Facebook for this time, or you have someone like a virtual assistant to do it. I can do it for you if you want, or other people can do it for you, so that you have more time for yourself. But yeah, like to wrap it up, have time. I know it's our baby, this business. I know every place is unique and it's our place. It's so close to us that we want to do everything ourselves, but to release this control and to have other people doing it for us. It will help you have a better life balance, and also help you and us, because when I'm telling you this, it's because also I know that I want my daughter to see me doing more yoga and being more outside and less on the computer. So it's all of us, we have to do it. I don't take myself as the person who is not doing this. I'm also guilty of this. But yeah, like, and also doing this and helping, giving this to other people will also help other people. I know Charmaine, for instance, she's in this group, and she's doing remotely her Airbnb. She's doing it for people who are traveling to the Philippines. She's from the Philippines, but she's living in Australia, and she hired people to help her manage her business there. So she's giving jobs to people in the Philippines, and we know in the Philippines it's not easy. A lot of students going out, graduate, and they don't have they don't find jobs. So it's great, you know, in a way. She releases this control so that people can have a job, and herself have more time for family, to be with her grandkids. So it's a win-win for everyone. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope that for some of you it speaks to you. You see yourself in things that I said, and if it is, if you haven't watched it now, but you're watching replay, hashtag replay in the comments, and share with me and the other people in the group what you think about this topic. So that's it for today. Bye bye.